Welcome to Run Free and Strong. I'm Reto. It's Thursday evening. We're at the local high school track for a mile sharpening workout. We are actually in taper mode for Sunday's Lake Waramaug 50K Road Ultra, and we have 5 days later an open mile at Track Night NYC City at Icahn Stadium on Randall's Island in New York. Want to balance between intensity and volume. Sharpening workout, 200, 400, 800, 400, 200, otherwise known as a ladder. And we'll see how we do. Let's go, guys. And 400 done, 241, 492, nice even 46 split. Hardest one, 800 coming up. Let's go, guys. Done. Hardest one, 140, and a huge negative split with a 90 for a 310. So very happy with that. 400, 200 coming up. Sharpening workout done. 200, 400, 800, 400, 200, a ladder. Very symmetrical. 241, 492, 800 310, 492, and 241. So happy with that workout. A couple of reasons we did this. We're 3 days out from Lake Waramaug 50K, so we want to be careful. And we are 8 days out from the mile at Icahn Stadium, so needed to get another workout in. Focus was on intensity, not volume, and wanted to simulate a little bit a race, getting into it in the first 200, 400, then the middle 800, where we start to go through the lactate threshold, and then finishing strong with a 400, 200. Hope you enjoyed coming along for the workout. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up, hit that like button, and if you're not already following, please click that subscribe button. Would very much appreciate it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.